This video we will show how to test the angle of the oscillating knob. Firstly, we will press adjust and adjust to and this touch. Also, first we select the correct function, cut. This is cut. Yeah. Then we press test angle. Yeah. Okay, I'll press the test angle. You can see the window. Okay. After the cutting, we'll check the cross whether it is correct. Right angle and the length is same length. If all same length and the angle is right angle 90 degree, that means the next cutter is okay, no problem. We don't need to change. If the length isn't parallel or correct, we need to change it here. We can tune the W axis. Okay, so by this clockwise rotating, anti-clockwise rotating. For example, rotate. Okay, I will. Okay. You see, we can change the angle. When we find the correct angle, we just press OK button. So the knob angle is calibrated. Okay, that's all.